What if one of history's most dangerous infections didn't destroy our ancestors, but actually created them? Deep inside your DNA, hiding in the 8% of your genome that comes from viruses, is the secret to human existence. For a pregnancy to even be possible, a silent war has to be waged inside the mother's body. The only reason humanity survives is thanks to the ghost of an ancient virus that became a crucial part of our DNA millions of years ago. Your immune system's primary job is to seek and destroy anything that isn't you. A fetus, by definition, isn't entirely you. It's a genetic blend with half its DNA from the father. To the mother's immune system, this developing embryo is a foreign body, an allograft. The immune system is designed to reject foreign tissue, just as it would a mismatched organ transplant. Early mammals laid eggs, with the embryo developing safely outside the mother's immune system. Evolution then took a radical turn, carrying the young inside the body, offering protection and constant nutrition. But this came with a seemingly impossible biological problem: how to convince a mother's body not to destroy its own offspring. The solution, when discovered, was shocking. The peacemaker in this ancient battle was a gift from its mortal enemy. The hero of our story is a retrovirus, like its modern relatives such as HIV. A retrovirus writes itself into a cell's DNA, becoming a permanent part of the genetic code. If this happens in a germline cell, the viral DNA is passed down through generations, becoming a genetic fossil called an endogenous retrovirus, or YARV. Our DNA is littered with YARVs, making up about 8% of the entire human genome, once thought to be junk DNA. Sometime in our distant past, an ancient retrovirus infected one of our mammalian ancestors, carrying a special gene for its envelope protein. This protein is a master of fusion, used by the virus to fuse with a host cell and inject its genetic material. Our ancestor's body captured and repurposed this viral fusion protein for a completely new job, building the placenta. The gene was named syncytin, and its function is a cornerstone of how pregnancy works. During early pregnancy, fetal cells called cytotrophoblasts invade the uterine wall. Thanks to syncytin, these cells start fusing with each other, merging to form one giant, continuous supercell with thousands of nuclei. This massive, fused layer is called the syncytiotrophoblastic, forming the critical interface between mother and child. It burrows into the uterine lining, tapping into the mother's blood vessels for nutrients and oxygen. Because it's a continuous surface with no gaps, it acts as an immunological buffer zone, mediating the mother's immune response. The virus's tool for breaking and entering was repurposed into a biological wall, a peacemaking barrier. This wasn't a one-time lucky break. The domestication of this viral gene happened multiple times across mammalian evolution. From the smallest mouse to the largest blue whale, we all rely on this viral legacy to be born. Other ancient genetic invaders, like transposable elements, inserted themselves into our DNA and acted like new regulatory switches. It's as if evolution found a shortcut, copying and pasting viral code to build pregnancy. But this ancient pact is a double-edged sword. When it goes wrong, the consequences can be devastating. This brings us to preeclampsia, a dangerous complication affecting up to 8% of pregnancies worldwide. Emerging research suggests a link between preeclampsia and the dysregulation of syncytin. This could impair the formation of the syncytiotrophoblastic layer, leading to a faulty placental barrier and inflammation. Our viral heritage isn't just a silent partner, it's an active one, with other virus-like jumping genes reawakening during pregnancy. Other viral-derived proteins, like suppressin, appear to act as crucial regulators, ensuring the placental barrier forms correctly. So, the next time you think of a virus, remember it's not just a pathogen. It's a creator, an innovator, an ancient architect. We are not a single, pure entity. We are a mosaic, a biological chimera. Our genome is an evolutionary scrapbook, filled with the ghosts of infections that became our allies. The placenta, the organ that connects us to our mothers, is a monument to this alliance. It forces us to rethink what it means to be human. The line between self and other isn't a solid wall, but a permeable, ever-shifting membrane. We are, in a very real and profound sense, part virus. And that isn't a flaw in our design. It's the secret to our existence.